Yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on.
Hi everyone, today I want to change my style to be Alita. Alita is movie now is so fantastic and have sci-fi about cyborg girl is so beautiful and have the power I like so much and I want to show you about I can change my face to Alita. Okay, so we go to see. First, I will change my eye because my eye is so bad and I want to change to brown eyes. Okay, now I change my eye already. It's so brown eye. And after that, I will change my face to be Alita. I'm wearing wig too. This. I change my wig to be Alita, which is short hair. And now I will show about I change my eyes. Okay, so we go. First, I want to change my skin. Today, I use now concealer for change my skin. There. Use with and white concealer for my face. So little chin. I used concealer for apply my eyelid for big eye and I apply and blending for beautiful color. So big eye now. And I'm apply concealer at my eyebrow underline and I apply for beautiful eyebrow. I'm apply loose powder to my face. I want to have a little lip and I used concealer for apply 2 small lip, and after that I used powder. And now I want to show you about I want to have like big eye and under eye. I use brown eyeshadow apply under my eye, and I'm use beige color like gold color add under my eye for feel balance to my eyes. I use white color pencil in liner and under my eyes for look big eye. Now I use for eyelid to be big double eye. Okay. I have so much big eye. It's so different. See it, okay? And I use black color for make my eyebrow. And I use gold color for look so big eye too. Use black color pencil for make eyeliner. And I make eyelash with for eyelash. Look so beautiful eye. I used orange color lipstick for apply at my lip, and I apply a little bit on my lip because I want to have small lip. look like cyborg girl. And I blend at my face for make small face too. And I use light color for make its beautiful face. And apply bold color at my nose for make beautiful nose. I apply pink color at my cheek. If you want to have beautiful face when you brush at cheek, your smile too make you beautiful face and feel wow, I'm so beautiful like that. And wear wig again and short wig for to be Alita. Okay, so now it's done of look Alita. If you like this video, please subscribe for me and we will see next video clip, and you can comment under this link and say thank you everyone. Hi. Every girl so beautiful. Everyone girl so beautiful. And Sona makeover.